All right, good morning officially, as I'm a little tardy today. So Marcelo just mentioned the watch list stocks, which are DTIL and ZVSA for the top two. VMAR, I'm also keeping an eye on. Those are my top three. We'll see how it does. We just have a couple minutes before the open, so I guess I'm gonna skip most of the formality and just get ready to trade here. Those are the three. There we go. Yeah, those are the three that I'll keep an eye on closely. XHG, as Marcelo mentioned as well, is also, somewhat in the picture, but still ways away from highs. So DTIL probably will be my top stock, but we'll see. It's definitely looking a little slower indeed compared to just a couple days ago. We did have 100, 200% gapper every one of those days, and now we're seeing 50% as like max on the scan. So I think I'm just gonna take it slow until something really presents itself as an obvious opportunity. So we'll see how it does here with about 2 minutes to go into the open. DTIL up 45% now, 7 million shares of volume, pulling back just a little bit. We'll see. XHG, on the other hand, is pushing up a little bit. It still has to get back to about 308 to retake Wednesday's highs. So we'll see how it goes. There's a 2-minute warning. We got quite a few people tuning in the Discord. Sean, Seven, Tempest, Vito, what's up? What's up? Scientist Trader, Rum Trader. Rum Trader, are you ever taking a sip of rum before the open? Is that a tradition? For those of you on YouTube, be sure to hit the thumbs up as you're tuning in. We got a couple minutes here to go, or less than a minute and a half to go. Hit that thumbs up. We don't say this enough, but we do appreciate the thumbs up and the support on the channel here. Other than that, quick reminder of the disclaimer, which is that trading is risky. I do not invest for my subscribers. Copy trading does not work. And what's the other one? My results are not typical. All right, keep that in mind as we trade throughout the day. Especially if you're a new viewer, don't think that you can just show up and, hey, this guy is buying, I'm going to try to buy. It just doesn't work like that. The key is to understand the strategy. So with that being said, we got 50 seconds, DITL, VMAR, and ZVSA. I'll be keeping an eye on those. And as mentioned, I'm going to just take it slow. DTIL, what is it going to be here early into the open? "15 seconds on my side, 15 seconds. Another beautiful day.
DBB.
Well, that's going to work splendidly. It's going to continue, are we? Got 09 short, which is just too low versus the highs. My level 2 is inverted again. Not good.
XTIN.
VMAR is moving up a little bit. VMAR. High point 250. Low was at 215. Someone mentioned 218 is key in pre-market there. I saw. I don't know if they're referring to this stock, but hopefully they're in the trade here and holding. It's a nice move to this point. Okay, not bad, not bad. But can we see an entry here for the latecomers like myself? And DTIL's back up, by the way. $20 was resistance. Definitely has quite the range to it. That's not. I can't watch two at the same time. Can't do it. I'm gonna miss entries on both of them. Tried to sneak in a trade on the other one at the lows. Okay, there's risk here for sure, which means I ought to be patient.
KNOWOILT. KNOW.
Oh, okay, maybe I might have sold. Well, there's a spread now. It's a little tricky.
KNOW.
Did still sell a little too soon, but there's risk here.
KNOW.
Build at 10, which is kind of high here.
KNOW.
The order's filled.
KNOW.
My odds are a little high.
KNOW.
I'm thinking if that was like a little too
DTI.
aggressive. Yeah, 92. You know, there's a spread here. And I got filled 04, this other one. That's not good. KNOW. Okay, this one is just a chop mess to this point. So I think maybe the other one, VMAR, which is giving like actual proper setups.
KNOW.
Okay, I get it. KNOW, okay. Actually, let me look at it. Maybe that's a sign to look at this thing. No, it's not.
KNOW.
VMR, there's the sign to look at that one.
KNOW.
VMR mooning. Highs are at 86.
KNOW.
Okay, maybe I leave notifications off for now. Low is at 70. High is at 89. Just waiting patiently. What's the time? 37. Well, my fills are kind of high here, which I don't love, but it's okay. It's definitely a little jumpy. Okay. Okay, that might not have been a great sell. I'm kind of getting some lag in my level too. I don't know if it's just me. Hmm. Time. Candlestick is red, so I want to be careful of that. So the 5 minute candlestick is red. The volume is a little lighter for now, but let's see how it plays out here. Oh wow. There's definitely interest in this stock, right? The way how it's moving. There's people buying big size, it seems. It's cheaper. There's 50 million shares of volume already. People are probably going to be taking like 40,000 size, like bigger traders. Seeing some big orders moving through the tape as it's like showing big bursts of volume. But I still want to be patient here. I don't want to rush this trade. Just gonna wait. If I don't get it, I can always scalp it, which it looks like I might have to scalp as I'm not in already. And there's 90, so a bit of a rejection of 3. And now it has me a little on the defensive, the way how it just dropped. Is it gonna go this time? Uh-oh. And it's fluctuated. Okay. It can come down quick, but it's going back up. Like, we'll see like a 7-cent drop. Definitely a bit tricky with that type of movement. Oh man. The level 2 is like flying. Okay, okay. I think I needed to be a little bit more aggressive in that push there, but that's terrible. Oh, and then there's a massive dip. Oh, I want to be careful here just in case. Well, it looks okay. Uh, that was a bit of a key error there. Hmm. I added by accident a little higher, but that's fine. We're seeing new lows. I'm gonna get out. Seeing more of a 5-minute pullback. So I kind of fumbled the move between 15 and 50. I kind of I wasn't as aggressive as I should have been based off of how, the stock moved. I think despite the level 2 going crazy, I should have just bought and hold. Just hit the buy button, just give it a chance. I was being a little too cautious towards getting good fills with how volatile it got, and that threw me off the move there. Oh, is it gonna just go all the way? Fill right there. Mm, why can't I just stomach that hold? Ah, yeah, that was okay. A little too much fear in case it broke down right there. Oh, it's not ready yet. Okay, that's fine. The 5 minute candlestick is under a little bit of stress. I think this is fine, but I'd rather not see a retest of the lows. But I think this is fine. As in like this low right here. there's a new 5-minute candle, so we have to see how this plays out. Average is still kind of high, but we'll risk. We'll risk. We'll risk a little bit here. Not too much though. And I could probably add again if I need to. I probably will. If I get the chance, I'll probably will. It's not a terrible trade idea here. But I'm game planning for just not to go back to the lows. If it does, I will lose. If it just teleports down there, then I'll get punched in the mouth. And then I'll have to smile and move on. Business as usual. Turned out to be a decent trade. Oh man, brutal. That was an attempt of the breakout. Pretty rough trade. Probably got the highest fill too. Fair, 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 fair. Pretty fair. 25. 31. Can we see something this time? Can we see over 40 and then 50 and then maybe a new high? If we see over 40 holding, I like it. But we can't afford the false breakout. Don't you dare. Come on. Come on. You can do it. My average is high though. Why is it so high? Moon. Moon. Bro, oh my gosh, the fills are killing me here. And I'm gonna miss the move because of that freaking fill. Not good. Ah, damn. Son of a gun. I'd have preferred to just hold bigger size, but I kind of messed it up. And level 2 is acting crazy again, but can we... Could be early. And... well, I could definitely do better on these type of stocks, man. Saying the high was 90. Come on, come on. Give us something, something, anything. Something good, preferably. chasing it, and chasing it. Is it gonna work? It's working a little bit. I'll get a little something there. 71. Coming back down. I still really didn't get the size up or anything here. The one big size I used, I got murdered. The thing I lost like 600 and not 700 in that one trade. Don't you dare. Oh my god. Bro, it's breaking down the previous support. And I got filled high buying it. It could reclaim. It could reclaim. Yeah, I kind of lost a lot there again. Too much conviction on that dip. Oh, big size is my enemy here today. This is weakness. This is not good. There's no way we should be pulling back this much from what just happened. This could be backside. It probably is backside. So maybe there's a few more good dips. I'm going to get ready to move on to the next stock here. Bro, I lost way too much. I lost like 2 grand, man. And walking away with barely anything. Okay, let's see. And I mean like in total throughout the entire move. So we didn't really get to retain most of our gains.
CEG.
We also needed bigger size on the dips. We have some great dips, like 20-cent dips, but only like 2K shares, so I really don't like that pullback. It is curling back up though.
XTIA may resume in less than a minute. RBSN.
What was that low? 25? 23? 23 to 90 range out of the blue. I was thinking between 40 and 50 would work for the dip.
WCT.
Initially on the way down, and then it didn't, 20, 25. Just brutal.
XCH. RVSN.
Um, RVSN, let me check that one out. Not too much.
CHEK.
Let me see what this chat is saying.
CEG.
It's just a little unfortunate though to lose on the two trades that because I'm only gonna take size in the areas that I think is the best areas, and it's like to be inaccurate twice or three times with size is just like tough. And then the trades that I'm trying to scale into, I want to take more size, but I got to get a little bit better with either two things. I can use bigger blocks to scale in, which might be the solution, or two, like I need to do a better job of determining the bottom and then buying faster.
RVSN.
But I think I'm doing a fine job now. So maybe the best move
VRME.
is to just double the size.
CEG.
That might be the best. There's a seller. That might be the best move. There's a seller, VRME. It's trying to give a breakout. But there's a big seller here, 50,000 at 75.
CHSN.
We'll see if it holds up.
VRME.
Yeah, yeah, can't confuse the name. VRME is moving up. VMAR is selling off.
CDTG halted. CDTG will resume at 10 hours 7 minutes and 24 seconds.
Shoots.
AMPX.
This type of stock. Oh, son of a gun. This type of stock, man. It might actually hold up this dip too. Let's see.
ALGS.
I'm 0 for 4 on it already. 55 that dip, 55 the low. VMAR selling off, VRME on a bit of a pullback. Yep, the pullback held up, but sadly, I'm in way too high. Maybe I could have bought back, but
NMTC.
I was selling where I should have been buying.
VRME. XTIA may resume in less than a minute.
It's quite the range.
VRME.
I'm bringing out the chair. I don't know. I'm already feeling tired. Tired of standing.
RNA.
You had to bring out the chair.
SPPL.
There's some very interesting words being thrown at VMAR in the chat. Breakout, breakout. Are we gonna break out? It's so hard to trust this stock. It can give a spread up or spread down, and it's just. Are we seeing a false breakout?
TZA.
I'm going short.
CDTG may resume in less than a minute.
Pray for Pastor as he goes short for the pullback.
LFWD. BLMZ.
CVAC.
Honestly, if there's shares available, I would do that every time, but as we know,
UVXY.
shares not usually available. And what was that low? 72.
WBA. OXS.
Yeah, we kind of shorted in the middle of the move. That wasn't great. But time. 3 minutes left in the candle. Or at least 2 minutes and some change.
XTIA halted. UVXY. XTIA will resume at 10 hours 11 minutes and 31 seconds.
RZLBW. GSIW.
GRNQ.
Okay.
AXGN.
Well, I might hold on. Nope.
UVXY.
Let's not be so aggressive.
SOXS.
Come on. Talk to
CDTG.
me nicely. Whispered sweet songs into my ears. I'm waiting for the signal. Waiting. Up or down? What's it gonna be?
VXX.
SPCB.
KB, are you still alive?
UVXY.
K of the B.
SOXS.
KB, brother. Oh, it's just not moving. When we should be flying through the skies here. Should be mooning. And there's no moon. And now that I've stopped out, now is it gonna go? What's it gonna do? Slap me in the face? I'm buying again.
UVXY.
There's a bid. Take flight. Take
SOXS.
flight. Over 80. Over 85. 90. Show me the moon. Show me Pluto. And I'm giving it time. Diamond hand style here. Diamond hand. Yeah. Okay. All right. 83. Diamond hands paying off for Pastor. Still could have used some more size down there though. Do we want new highs? Do we need new highs? Can we see new highs?
GROB.
Level 2 is freezing.
UVXY.
What's going on?
VXX.
What's happening earlier too? All that for $100, man. What?
XTIA may resume in less than a minute. VRME.
It seems like it should go. What are we gonna go though? 97, 98. 3. It's gonna get in again.
VRME.
There's buying, but can we do it? Can we pull it off? Can we skip in price? Bro, I'm only up $300, bro. Do I need to use 10,000 shares? What's going on? What's gonna happen? Because I I should be up like 1K. It feels like one loss, I'm gonna be back to red. Watch, just I don't know. Maybe the fills are not as good as I think. I'm gonna go short here. Oh, there's no shares.
VRME. VNRG.
I'd have been short at 08. Let's see how this would have played out. Can I get the pullback? Can I see the future here? My stop would be 11 at the high, of course. And I'd stopped out probably right there, scratch trade. And then there's the pullback, of course. Market playing games with me, even when I'm not even in the trade. Even when I'm not even in the trade, they're trying to play with me here.
RGTI. DATS.
Big Steve, can we see a big bounce off the lows? Show me back over 3. 80, bro. Don't put, man. All right, I'm cutting this trade. Exactly, one loss, back to flat. See, that's what happens when you don't get the trades you're supposed to get. At least the fills. I mean, we took all the right trades. All right, VMAR is back up. Perhaps switching back to this one is better. VMAR. This is what the market is, though, you know. So you just have to smile and move on. So, high of days at 90.
CDTG halted.
Lows are at
CDTG will resume at 10
let's say
hours,
310.
17 minutes and 24 seconds.
We're currently at a high of 360 or so.
UVXY.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay, trying again at 10. I'm getting a lot of lag here.
WKEY.
Should see a bounce, but
VNET.
perhaps not. Oh, I'm going to take a $300 loss there.
AMPG.
Oh, man. Okay, I think maybe it's time to call it. Dang, that was a brutal drop-off, though. I just wanted to risk with like bigger size starter, but I think in the long run we'll be fine.
WKEY.
Taking the $1,300 and running might be the move here.
RGTI. AMPG.
And the bottom of that was 82, bounced back to 306, not bad. But I got cooked. Cooked alive, boiled in oil, like a lobster.
NTCL.
Yeah, I think maybe, you know, there's probably going to be something else. So I'm thinking maybe I stop and then come back later. Maybe, I mean, I could keep streaming till 12, but...
RGTI. DATS. AMPG.
I don't know, I'm thinking just to take the green.
CGBS.
It's not a day we would have wanted, but you know, $1,300 is still good money. Still decent money, at least. Decent. On a day like this, I would have preferred to end it around like 3.5, 4K. It's like 5K maybe on the higher side. But we just didn't get to retain the gains. VRME just now, again, felt like I should have been up 1K already. I'm only at 300. And one loss, what it tells me is that...
STIA may resume in less than a minute.
It tells me that one loss is going to put me back to flat because I'm going to get the worst fill going in, the worst fill coming out, and the full brunt of the flush. That's what it means when you're taking all the perfect trades going up and you're not making money. So you're fighting against the spreads and getting destroyed. And this might bounce here though. VRME. Well, maybe it comes down to VWAP first. I'm gonna leave it alone though. I'm not interested. Yeah, I'm gonna take the gains here, and Monday again. So if I come back, and I will, I'll update you guys in the recap of how the rest of the day has went. What's happening right now is that I want to be very informal, and when I'm on this live stream, I have to be pretty formal. And in terms of being, I want to be comfortable. So what I'm gonna do right now, the reason why I'm not gonna stream, I'm gonna go lay down. I'm gonna go lay down for 5 minutes, and maybe more, and then come back. This trading thing drains out the mental sometimes. So I'm gonna shut it down, and then we'll see what happens. But $1,300, you can't go wrong, right? I think it's that kind of day. For those of you on the YouTube stream, hit the thumbs up. We forgot to mention it again. We have 500 people here, and it's always around like 88 to 95 likes. So shout out to the 90 people who are always hitting the thumbs up, even without me mentioning it. I do appreciate it. For the rest of the, okay, my math here was that 410 people. Is that right? Yeah, 410 people that are watching on. Please hit that thumbs up as you're heading out here. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Of course, as usual, let's enjoy the time with our friends, our family, our relatives. Let's do all the things that we need to get done, the other business, the other project, the other job. Don't obsess over the market, but instead study up Saturday or Sunday. Usually most people are off Sundays. To study up Sunday evening. Have that fresh mind ready for Monday morning. So enjoy the time off. Don't stress over trading. And I know some of you guys might go till 4, but yeah, just keep that in mind over the weekend. Relentless trader heading out. Stay safe, stay green. Hit that thumbs up. Check out the links down below for the classes, the chat room, and the scanner. I'll catch you guys later. And don't forget, for the classes, you guys can use coupon code NEWYEAR for 40% off, all right? Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the recap. Stay safe. I'm looking so orange on this thing. I can't get this saturation correct at all on this thing here, man. It's just a disaster. Maybe we start doing the live stream with no camera like this, right? But anyhow, take care, stay safe, stay green.